All right, another quick and dirty video for you. This is kind of just a public service announcement slash consumer review slash complaint. So I want you to look at this here invoice right here. See this? It's a Sportage, local tire shop. Look up here at the mileage, 162,285. That's when I had these Continentals put on here. And if we come down here and we look at this Continental, you see right there, you see this tread wear? It says 700. That generally means about 70,000 miles. If you look right here at this tread block, right there, there's no tread left on this fucking tire. It's 187 on the click right now. You look right there, 187,650. So these tires have 25,000 miles on them. And they're already gone. And it's like that on all four tires. And again, this is a 700 tread wear tire, which means these suckers have a 70,000 mile warranty, and they're all gone. Actually, this tire still has a millimeter of tread left. I think the one on the other side has almost half of that. I literally just rotated these tires. No, those have half a millimeter. That has a millimeter. Both fronts are already worn. I'm pretty confident I rotated these tires less than 5,000 miles ago. And I think I let it go for about 15,000 miles before I remembered to rotate the tires. And I walked by and I'm like, oh my God, there's like twice as much tread on the rear as there is on the front. So I rotated the tires. That was like that was the last oil change, I think. That was like less than like 7,000 miles ago. And they're already bald on the front. Like, holy hell. I think there was a recall on these Continental tires. So I'm going to look into that, and hopefully I can get my money back, because these were not cheap tires. We paid $170 for each of these. Set was about $750, and they're fucked already. So yeah, just PSA. If you find used tires from Continental, these are PureContact LS 255 or 235/55 R18s. PureContact LS. If you find them from 2022, just leave them there or put them in the dumpster. Do not buy them. Absolute gutter garbage. Holy hell. So yeah, I'm going to go put some Chinese Arturos on here because when I can put more faith in a Chinese tire brand than I can in Continental, something has gone very wrong. But anyway, I've heard good things about Arturos, so that's what we're going to put on this Korean car. You just can't trust the French, can you? Anywho, that's all I got. This is sad, and man, that was a waste of $750. So they were fantastic tires while they lasted, though. Ran, really quiet, really well, great traction. It's probably because they were basically a track tire. How fucking grippy this compound was. No wonder they did so well. Man, look at them azaleas. Anyway, that's all I got. If you like the video, consider going down there, giving the video a like. Comment, tell me if you bought some 2022 Continentals, and they were absolute dumpster fire garbage too. And if you want to see more stuff on a 2020 or 2012 Kia Sportage, you gotta subscribe, so smash that button down there. Until next time, I'm out.